What's up, everybody? It is MoeThePro, and I want to talk more about scalp care. I know I post these detox videos and me detoxing people's scalps, and I say it helps with hair growth and things of that nature. But I really want to take some time to kind of try to explain to y'all today what it is that I do and why I do it. So I am a licensed beauty professional here in the great state of Texas. But I'm trying to get away from so much of hairstyling. What I've learned is that hairstyling usually doesn't come with much hair care. And if we want healthy hair, we need hair care. Looking at that holistically means that we got to deal with the scalp, because the scalp is responsible for housing our hair. It helps with the growth of our hair. So if our scalp is damaged, obviously our hair will be as well. Now, I know that some people have some thoughts about, having things like the seborrheic dermatitis, the psoriasis of the scalp, and psoriasis runs in my family. So I understand when people are like, no, that's a disorder, it's a disease, you can't get rid of it with scalp scratching. I get it. However, as someone who suffered from severe scalp buildup, I know that detoxing the scalp works. I know that even if you come in with your scalp red and inflamed and fiery, that a detox will help to heal your scalp over time. It's something that has to continuously be done. Excuse me. You can't just do it one time and think that it's fixed. It takes several times. We go years. Some people have had their scalps exfoliated and scratched when they were younger, because it is something that was done old school, It was common back then. And then some people have never had their scalps scratched, exfoliated, or detoxed. And so with those kind of people, we're talking about removing years of scalp buildup. It's not going to all be gone in one setting. Removing scalp buildup does reduce hair loss. Believe it or not, having all that buildup on your scalp is affecting your hair strands. It is snapping them at the roots, because everything that's mixed up in that buildup, including sweat, which turns to salt, is drying up around your hair strands. And when you go to comb your hair or brush your hair, it's snapping at the root. So anytime that you have shedding, it means that a detox and a shampoo is necessary. It's time for a detox. It's time for a shampoo. I don't shampoo without detoxing anymore, because I know that it's kind of, backwards. If I'm not addressing my scalp, then I'm not fully addressing my hair. So I always address my scalp now when I'm getting ready to cleanse my hair. Scalp buildup is something that can be controlled. It is something that does not have to be as severe as we see it. It doesn't have to be that severe. This particular client, now this detox was when she was just coming out of locks. This was the first time that I did a session of the My Water experience on her hair. It was bad. Since then, her scalp has not been in this state anymore. So doing the scalp detox actually prevents as much scalp buildup reoccurring as we continue to go on. And that's why my service is something that has to be gotten regularly, because we have to maintain the scalp and the hair. We have to maintain detoxing the scalp. We have to maintain cleansing the hair. And for softer, more manageable hair, we have to put my water back into it. We got to silk press it out so that it can be straight without the use of a relaxer. What I do is hair and scalp restoration. I am restoring the scalp. I'm restoring the hair. I'm not just in there, making it look good or, just doing something that feel good to the people and that's it. No, I'm actually doing restoration. Your hair will be better. It will get fuller. It will get longer with my approach. I try my best to keep things as on the holistic, natural side as possible. Shampoos have chemicals in them. My water has chemicals in it. So I can't say that I'm giving chemical-free services. However, I'm not giving chemical processing services. It's a difference between using a product that has chemicals in it and doing an actual chemical process. I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with chemical processes. I'm just not offering them at the moment because I'm focusing on restoring the hair. If somebody wants a color or, somebody is super, super short and we have no choice but to relax, then yeah, I know how to give a chemical service. But my goal is to restore the hair holistically, restore the scalp holistically so that we don't have to, alter it in so many ways just to get it to be manageable. So I just wanted to come and kind of make that a little bit more clearer that this is hair and scalp restoration. I'm not a hairstylist in that way of I just give hairstyles and go on. And I'm not just scratching people's scalps for the fun of it. There's a method behind my madness. I would not be doing it just to be doing it or just because, you got dandruff on your scalp, come here, let me get it off. No, as I realize what this buildup is doing to your hair, how it's affecting your hair, and holistically, I'm going to care for your scalp so that you can have better, healthier hair. I hope everybody is having a terrific Tuesday. I will see you guys soon with another video. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this one, share it with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon.